guys. I've been wanting to do a certain way of, I guess, speaking of the messages that I be getting, a few messages, since they're general. I wanted to mention them, or start to mention them, or try to do a video with me actually channeling and getting messages and put it out. Maybe that'll happen in a future date. But right now, I just have a few messages that I've had over the past few days or weeks. That I've gotten pertaining to, like, twin flames, soulmates, and where their counterparts are at in some way. Not too long ago, I channel obviously every day, every night, and I received messages, and I've gotten one that was pertaining to twin flames and soulmates, as you can say, and it was a general, and I was hearing a lot of people trying to come back together. And the way you can channel and hear messages, because energy is physical and spiritual in a way. In spiritual ways, you can actually start to, for clairaudient people, you can hear them sometimes. You hear the messages from the universe, and other times you can actually see them through visions, clairvoyance. And this time, I didn't see any visuals. I didn't see my visions. I just had the clairaudience, and I heard the messages. And I heard someone speaking of coming back together, and I heard me and you. Heard it twice, actually. I heard it like the day before, and then another day after that. I heard me and you different times, and one of these days I heard I'm so ready, and then I heard Mary. So it's gonna be a masculine or somebody's soulmate. That's either it was a male. I heard these messages, but the thing is, the messages can be general. Oftentimes, I hear the messages come through, and they just be, a general for anyone messages, or it can be for a female if it's in a male voice too. It depends on, depends on, I guess, if I'm hearing through the universe or from someone else trying to transfer this message to their lover. But yeah, I heard me and you twice, and I heard I'm so ready and Mary. I heard someone asking, like if the other person is okay or not. But it's like a lot of checking up has been happening with the counterparts and twin flames. A lot of them have been trying to communicate and, engage in certain ways, see if everything's fine, and often try to, come together, because as you know, I've mentioned it before on my Instagram, that a lot of people are planning to reunite, whether that be spiritual or physical. A lot of unions and reunions are trying to take place or happen again. So right now, it's a lot of, gearing up to that. A lot of work is still being applied. A lot of temptation is being avoided. A lot of, work is being done. So give it time. You'll get your signs and synchronicities, of course. You'll have your dreams. If you have your dreams, just trust always. You'll know a message in a dream when you see one. And always look that message up when you get it. But yeah, just a lot of evolution is happening with everyone. A lot of evolving, a lot of waking up for some, a lot of spiritual development happening for people. People's powers are coming in, or other powers are coming in. So, just try to work on yourself, keep focused, stay positive, and I'll talk to you guys another time.